What's going on, you guys? It's Professor NFT here. So, before we get started, like always, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. All right, so today, what I got for you guys, it is Attack Tigers. Okay, so one thing I really love about this project is that everything is organic when it comes to their followers, even their Discord followers as well. You see, they are at 5.88K members. And like I just said, all organic, you guys. We see they are Rad Rug certified. That's a good sign when you're looking at a project like this. So let's go ahead and hop on their website as well. So, what is Attack Tigers? Attack Tigers are preparing to gear up for a large scale project on Solana. Over 200 distinctive traits were hand drawn by the widely acclaimed artist at James O'Reilly Art, with a background of more than 20 years in artistic illustrations. So that was actually another interesting thing I found about this project. I really love the art. I thought the art was super sick. Let me go ahead and show you here some sneak peeks of what the art looks like on their Twitter. So the art looks super sick in my opinion, you guys, but everybody has their own opinion. So let's go back here on the website. So they have a supply of 2,999 Attack Tigers. So that is a fair supply. I like that number. So Novo Launch has a strong track record of over 10 NFT projects with sold out mints. I have to look it up. I need to know what Novo Launch, what projects they done. So that's something I'm going to look up after this video. They're focused on organic growth, like I said in the beginning of the video, and transparent communication to bring about a healthy and active community. So if you go ahead and check their Discord out, the team is always interacting with everyone. If you ask for help, the team's there. They'll help you out. All right, so let's go back here to their website as well. So, Attack Tigers is more than just an NFT. It's also an episodic animated series of animation shorts with voice acting that tells the origin and tales of Attack Tigers. So, they actually have a sneak peek of this as well on their website here. Let me go ahead. I'm going to show you probably like the first 20 seconds. I don't want to make this video super long. I'll make sure I put a link to the description in the description below so you guys could check it out more.
Just the sight of you brings back so many memories. So many lives were lost. I couldn't bear the sight of you.
I just want to say the voice acting is incredible. I love the voice acting. Kudos to the guy or whoever the actor is. Kudos to him. He sounds amazing. He sounds awesome, dude. All right. So then they have having years of experience in e-commerce will allow us to build upon the Attack Tigers brand to increase awareness of Attack Tigers and the NFT space. And then Attack Tigers Chapter 2 has already started with the purpose of delivering even more value to the community. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the roadmap here. So minting begins January 28th. This is actually for the whitelist. Public starts January 29th. So we already know this. I just read it to you guys. So Expedition 2, whitelist members established. They're going to reward the early supporters and those who participate in Discord activities with the Attack Tigers OG role. Expedition 3, an episodic animated series of animation shorts with voice acting that tells the origin and tales of Attack Tigers. So that's something else that I like about projects. When the projects have lore behind them, I find it to be more engaging to the holders of the project. All right, then we see here the public, like I just said, 29th January 11th. No, I mean the 29th of January at 11 p.m. UTC. So this is another cool thing. The energy drink brand established. So Attack Tigers will be making their own energy drink brand. So they're formulating an energy drink brand with the orientation towards both everyday individuals and the NFT community. So as an Attack Tiger holder, there will be monetary benefits in conjunction to the energy drink sales. So that's something I'll be really excited about. Hopefully the team does deliver and fulfills their promises, but we're gonna have to wait and see what happens. And Expedition 6 energy drink, can designs and flavoring, can designs to be shown to the DAO throughout the design process. So that's cool. So if this is true about the energy drink, I'll be excited for that. Having a say or having a you're being a part of a decision this big that could get super big. It could sell internationally. It's something awesome. And then we see, of course, they have staking coming up as well in the future. So go ahead, you guys, research this project a little bit more. The team, I'm actually not sure if they are docs. So, like I always tell you guys, research a project before you buy in. I'm a I'm gonna do a little research myself as well. I do have to see if the team is doxed. Uh, I do have to check for mint price as well. So, actually, here it is. Mint price is at 0.88. So now we know. Go ahead, you guys, check it out. I'll put a link to their website in the description below. And that's all for me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Discord as well, where I do some alpha calls. Till next time, you guys, I'm out. See ya.